Hey, what's up, guys? We wanna put a new dipstick on the transmission. Cause this transmission, the NAG1 from 2011 or 2014, I believe, they don't come with a dipstick. So it's really important, like you have like custom transmission. My transmission is the NAG1, but I got it like upgrade from the hot rod. This transmission is the race. And this is the oil cap. You see it says for dealership use only, so that's how it look like. Okay guys, after we remove this cap over here, we're putting in, so I'm gonna show you how you have to twist it a little bit. Twist it the same way I'm gonna put it in. Twist it a little bit. That's it, and now you can check the oil. So see, you guys can check the oil now. And you can see in camera. So for this, you have to get the car warm up and the transmission warm up too, so you can get like a specific reading when you got the car warm up. Okay guys, let's go check it out real quick. So we warm up the engine a little bit. Look good. Go put it back again.